Namaste everyone. Today in this video let us discuss about the repetition of a text number of times we want. Now just guys look at here in this table. This represents the numerical frequency. And I want to make it look like iconic frequency. That means I want to represent this frequency with the help of some symbols using this formula. Okay, let's get started. So equal to rept. Fine. Now here is the text. Now let us say, suppose guys, I want to insert this @test. Okay, and then number of times I will be selecting this frequency. Close the braces. You can see it is represented 2 times. Now drag it for all of them. You can see how your data looks, how your iconic frequency looks like. It is representing the same frequency but with symbols. Why we do this? Because sometimes we need to represent the data in the beautiful manner. And let us do more example like this. I will show you how we can make it more beautiful now. We will go to symbols here. First of all, let us insert some of the beautiful symbols. Go to here, this insert tab, come to symbols, and you can choose your favorite symbol. So anything can work out. And for that, for instance, let me select any symbol like, okay, let me select this symbol guys. Okay, insert and close. Now it is inserted here. I will copy it down, Control C, and now come to here. Equal to rept, repetition, sorry, not replace, it is rept, repetition of text. And you can here insert this one, you can paste it out. So now let me paste it, Control V. Okay, and now for number of times, these are the number of times I want the text. So I want it 2 times here, I want it 4 times, 7 times, like that. Now close the braces, execute. You can see guys, and double click filler handle. You can see how the data now, iconic frequency, is looking beautiful. Let us center it by right click and come here. Now here you go. You can see you can use any of your favorite symbol from the insert tab, whatever you want. You can use smiley, you can use any of the emoji. So that is how this formula works guys. So I hope you understood the concept of this video. If you are liking my channel content, then do appreciate me with the thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel if you are visiting first times. Thank you.